welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Andi's Scrunchies. This is her athletic set. So it comes in all sorts of cute pastel-y colors. You can throw these in the wash because of the fabric that they're made out of. Super stretchy. Let's just try this over here. So that's something I really like because I like to just throw everything in the wash. Including scrunchies, which do, you know, if you use them for athletic wear, which they need a shower too. So that's what it looks like in the hair. Cute little bow tie that you really don't need to do much to. And let's go for the purple one. So you can be all sorts. You really don't have to be like super careful with these because, you know, the bunny ears just pop right back whenever you need them. Just switch it around. And there you go. So those are Andi's Scrunchies. For more information about the product, check out the links below. And for more product reviews, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.